As y'all might know, these old Westinghouse black enders with the plastic end caps have an issue with the end caps getting loose due to the heat and the old glue. As you can see with this one, the end cap's loose and that might risk breaking the wires. So I have a way of fixing that. I have a 150 watt spotlight and some generic super glue. Any super glue will work. I'm just using the cheapest one. Works good. So basically what you want to do is turn on the heat and you just apply the super glue real lightly and spin it. Let it dry there for a second. This spotlight will help it dry faster. That's enough. Don't take much. Then you just spin it around. You might want to wipe a little bit of the excess off. So then you want to do that for about 5 minutes, and then you'll have a nice sturdy end cap again. Thanks for watching.